Hi everybody, I promised I'd give you a little appraisal of this 2004 Subaru Legacy. It's a Japanese import WR limited edition. I bought it off Copart about a week ago. I've had quite a few Subarus in my time, mostly Legacies, Foresters, and it's just something about them. So obviously I'm starting on the good side of the car. The car's a 2004 with about 115,000 kilometres, so for us in the UK about 70,000 miles. It comes with a 2 litre engine, same as what was on the Imprezas of similar age. It's not a 3 litre H6 like the previous Legacies I've had, so it's definitely something different. When I saw the car online, the colour, the spec, the seats and everything appealed. So go down the good side of the car first. It certainly looks like the car's clean on this side. I believe it's been in the UK about 2 years. Gold wheels, last owners put decent tyres on it, working for a tyre company. That's quite good. There's the odd little dent mark on this side of the car, but for its age, quite nice. I don't know what spec the exhausts are. It sounds good. I'll probably start with the worst damage. So from what I can see, the car has hit a tree or some kind of shrubbery or bushes, and it's gone down the car. So the worst part really is this quarter. Now I'm sure some people would say it would need a quarter cut out and put in, but I know a few decent panel beaters, so I'm hoping that can be brought back to something half decent, and then obviously a light skinner filler or a little bit of tenor on something on it and bring it back in. Obviously the other issue you've got here is they've got the line along the side of the car, so that needs to be in place. Doesn't seem to be anything other than light scratches here. There's some scratching up along this plastic piece, but again not damaged, so that'll probably be something I'll flat back and paint. Some of these probably similar. This door itself, although it will probably be painted because the side of the car is going to get painted, there's no damage to that door. Some light scratching. Down here, however, when I've opened the door, you can see there's a slight pull here that it looks like something here has slightly damaged the sill, but again I think that can be pulled back out. There's no damage to the skirt other than the fact it's got some light scratching. Again, that is more surface on the weld and the joint. Structurally it's all sound and intact. Interior, you can see the blue seats. When the car was advertised, it didn't have the door card on the pictures, and I was a bit panicky because I thought that door card could be a real pig to get. But fortunately, the day I got the car and I opened the boot, et voila, door card. So quite happy about that. Something I'm going to ask the guys on the forums, is it common to get a little bit of water in the bottom of the wheel? Okay, so going back down this side, this rear wheel looks okay. This bumper I think will fit back in. I'm not worried overly about that, and again there's no cracks or damage. There's some slight marking on the wheel, but again very, very small. Door, well, I don't think you'd rescue that door. That's not a panel beating job, if any of you think otherwise. But I've got a donor door, and I believe from someone on the forum I'll need to rewire the guts of that. The worst damage really is the front wing, but again easy panel to replace. There's some small damage here, which again I'll probably bond and repair. Sad headlight crack there, so I'll need to get another headlight, unless the guys can tell me if the lenses are replaceable, because on the other side it looks a little bit like it could do to be refinished. Again, not a huge job. This wheel, which is my job for the afternoon, if you come round to the other side of the car, that wheel is actually fairly straight, with the steering wheel straight in the car, which tends to suggest that this has some slight suspension damage or something slightly bent. So that's the main damage there. Again, headlight needing replaced. Under the bonnet, I can normally do this easier. It's bloody cold today. Doesn't seem to be any damage along the inner wing of the structure. It's all clean and square on both sides. Original Subaru marked wings, so it's not had panels at any point. All looking good. Battery cover is actually in the car. I assume it's come off at Copart. STI strut brace on these, and again I don't know if these are standard spec. I'll now show you the car start. I want to make sure there's obviously no fuel lines damaged or anything damaged underneath. Still obviously have to figure out why that door won't open, that's why the door trim's off. But all in all, really pleased with it. Sorry you're not seeing my face today guys, but I've got a hat and 16 layers on because it's freezing. So watch out for more videos as I start to work on this project.